You can buy a car pressure washer in practically any size and any power from premium brands such as Sunjoe and Karcher. A car pressure washer can work for cleaning practically anything that needs to be cleaned and can even be used to accomplish other jobs. The following are the pressure washer we found particularly tailored towards washing cars. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 is one of most popular car pressure washer in the US. The reason why is because it has a variety of features and comes at a very affordable price. Not only this, the Sunjoe also comes with a 2 years warranty and is CSA approved. A feature that I think is very intuitive is the dual detergent tanks, which means you can store 2 different types of detergents. This is useful for when you apply a stronger solution to remove tough dirt and then a lighter solution to increase shine. To increase the lifespan of the pump, most common failure of a car pressure washer, Sunjoe has a clever feature. The TSS, Total Stop System, trigger acts as a safety lock which switch to automatically to shut off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. The SPX 3000 is not short of accessories either. Included are the 2 separate detergent tanks, 34-inch extension wand, 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord, garden hose adapter, 5 quick connect spray tips and more. Sunjoe offer a range of car pressure washers, but this is the model to go for. It is the best car pressure washer in terms of functionality and value, and you will not be disappointed with your investment. Number 2. Karcher K5 Premium. Karcher is probably one of the first brands that you will think of in terms of pressure washer. They have marketed their pressure washers, and other products, to be the best pressure washers money can buy. The Karcher K5 Premium is the ultimate and the best car pressure washer Karcher offer. The specification is the top of its range and outweighs the competition. Yes, you pay a premium for the Karcher range, but reliability and customer support come with the brand. Not only is this pressure washer a power plant, it is also clever. It includes a water-cooled feature to reduce the temperature of the induction motor that heats up quickly. This has the effect of increasing the motor dramatically, with Karcher claiming up to 5 times longer. This Karcher car pressure washer has been designed with performance in mind, and Karcher sure did deliver. You have 2 included wands for different spraying effects, pressurized hose reel, onboard detergent tank and more. Number 3 are Blue Clean AR383. The R Blue Clean is not a well-known brand, but they do provide an affordable car pressure washer with plenty of features. This is the budget non-branded version of the Karcher Premium model. It is CSA approved and has been developed by an Italian company that has been trading for over 50 years. This is very lightweight considering its size and electrical power, which is one of the main benefits over the Karcher alternative. The electric cord of the R Blue Clean 383 is extra long at 30 foot, which means that you don't need to use various extensions when cleaning. The 2 wands include one that rotates and another for spraying at different angles. Overall, the R Blue Clean AR383 is a well-priced mid-range car pressure washer that is powerful and lightweight. Number 4. Greenworks GPW 1501. If you are looking for the best car pressure washer for under $100, then the Greenworks CPW 1501 is the answer. It is a 13-amp electric pressure washer that shoots water out at 1500 psi. It is one of the cheapest pressure washer to buy on the market, but don't think it has no features. This pressure washer has 25 and 40-degree quick connect nozzles that enables you change your approach to each job. A detergent bottles comes with this pressure washer and is placed under the trigger handle. This will have the effect of spraying detergent solution at low pressure. Overall, the Greenworks CPW 1501 car pressure washer is excellent value for money compared with other alternatives and is the best cheap car pressure washer. Number 5. Karcher K3 Follow Me. Of course, straight away you can see that this is a new design in the car pressure washer world. The Karcher K3 Follow Me design has 4 wheels, larger rear wheels, that will follow you as you go around the car. For those that use pressure washers of a regular basis, this is a great design feature and makes using a pressure washer much more easier and enjoyable. Being a Karcher pressure washer, It comes with a large accessory list and packs a fair amount of features. These include a Vario power spray hose that allows you to adjust the power from low to high for certain surfaces. With the range of attachments available, you will be able to tackle all forms of dirt. Selecting the car pressure washer that is most appropriate for you and your use is not difficult. It does, however, take time and effort to select the one that not only fits your needs but your budget as well. Which is why we simplified it for you in 5 products, which should not be difficult for you to pick your choice. Check the links below to buy any of this product on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel for more reviews.